This is a 2010 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, 9 strategically placed speakers, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: big 18-inch wheels, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, a rear spoiler, privacy glass, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 71,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Boulevard Auto Sales is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at Route 113 at 18 in Georgetown.